I think it's important to understand that if you have a severe flare-up, like when I had pneumonia, often you don't fully bounce back to your old baseline. The damage is done, and you experience what I call a new normal. That's never easy and polite to say to someone, but somehow we need to get that point across.
I knew that after lying in bed for, if I hadn't been sick, if I'd lied from lying in bed for 14 days, I would be weak. So I requested physical therapy along with the home health.
Nou, ik ben al 3 keer naar een longrevalidatie geweest. Dat ervaar ik altijd als zeer plezierig. Je leert er veel. En qua training doe je natuurlijk ook meer als normaal thuis, want je traint 3 keer in de week. Dus dat is toch behoorlijk pittig. Dus je komt er eigenlijk altijd een stukje beter vandaan.
Absolutely. If they're also given not just the exercise, diet, learning to eat 6 small meals instead of 3 large meals a day, proper sleep, making sure you walk, not being a couch potato. The less you do, the less you're able to do.
If there were another pulmonary rehab online, live people to interact and exercise with, that would be great. Had that once and it was wonderful.
I'll be there with 24 other people, mostly COPD, but a few other lung diseases as well. And we all find that very, very useful because we understand each other's problems.
I do belong to several groups that meet bi-weekly, virtually, and these are very, very helpful to me. I also feel that I'm able to help some other people who are having issues with things that I've already figured out how to work around it.
But I think the routine of something is very an exercise class with other people who become friends as well is an important thing.
I learned that it was okay to throw my laundry down my stairs instead of carrying it, and I could go down to the bottom and pick it up and put it in the laundry room. But that was a little trick that made things so much easier for me because more or less afraid to go down the stairs carrying the laundry for fear that I was going to fall.
Eu pouco mais teria a dizer, se não aconselhar às pessoas que se informem também. A informação é sempre útil e, por conseguinte, nós temos que andar informados para saber quando devemos recorrer a quem nos pode ajudar.
Don't get hung up on the numbers. Live your life, but know your numbers. I think that's a valuable message.
Juntamente com o meu médico, fazer os meus exercícios, tomar a minha medicação, fazer os repousos necessários e, assim, eu vou andando e vou procurando fazer a minha vida normal. O exercício é sempre útil, a medicação ajuda.
Not only do I find support there, I also find a mission, something that I can do to help people who are scared because they were just now diagnosed and they went to Google and found out they're only going to live for 5 more years.
It's your COPD. Own it. It's your story. It's not the end. I don't care who told you it's the end. It's not.